Hey lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And in today's video, I'm going to be trying out it's a request from Leah Rose. She asked if we could try out the Lazy Girl slash Femi Beauty Method, but doing French tip. Sorry, I couldn't think then. So I am going to quickly say this here. I've already uploaded this video to YouTube, but for some reason my voiceover wasn't in the video. I don't know why. So I'm redoing it. I've deleted it off of YouTube and I'm redoing it and I'm going to pop it back up. So it'll probably be back up as soon as possible. But I do apologize. I don't know what happened. I don't know why my voiceover didn't go through, and I don't know why my background noise was there, but yeah. Probably a fault on my own. Anyhow, this was meant to be up on Saturday, but because I uploaded late for Wednesday, which was on Friday, I was going to upload this Saturday, but I thought I'll upload it Sunday, and then I completely spaced and forgot. So I thought I'll upload it today. So today is Monday, and we are going to do the French tip laser girl method that Leah suggested. Basically, I know Femi Beauty has done the French tip method, and she does a really good method herself with her method of lazy girl method, of course. But I thought let's try it a different way. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm using some different Macart polygels. I will link everything down below in the description box. But I'm using two different ones. I think one's from the Mermaid, like there's three like iridescent colors, and then one is from the like soft purple and pink and nude colored polygel kit, but they will be down below. I can't remember what the actual called. Anyhow, what I'm doing is I'm just putting some white gonna speak. I put some white poly gel in the tip of the nail, and what I'm doing is I literally just pushed and pressed it down into place. And then once I'd gotten about 2/3 of the way down the nail, I then decided to create this curve, as you can see with my brush, making sure that it is even on each side, and I just clean up and make sure that it's crisp. You can take your time, of course, because polygel doesn't cure until you stick it in a lamp. But once I was done with that, I then did put it in the lamp and I cured for 30 seconds. And then I go in with the nail bed colour after. I only show you me doing this 3 times because I didn't think that you'd want to see it repeatedly over and over and over again. So yeah, that's why this is yeah, I'm only showing you 3 nails. So basically, as you can see, I'm just pushing and pulling it into place, and then once I'm happy and I have the length that I want the tip to be and like enough room for the nail bed, then I start to create the curve. Ignore the glitter as well, it did not want to come off, but there was glitter in my old brush. Not my old brush, but there was glitter in the brush. I hadn't cleaned it properly. There was still a few pieces of glitter. So yeah, you can't see the glitter on the other side anyway, so I kind of just left it there. But yeah, once I'd done the white, then again I cured. I'd done this for each and every nail, and then I go in with the nude pink nude bed. Gosh, I can't speak. Oh, but here I am, pop it into the light now. So yeah, once I had done that, then what I'd done was I took the pink polygel, put it into the nail bed area, and I pressed and pulled that into place over, and of course you can overlap it if it's like if it's not a sheer color on the nail tip. So yeah, I just tidied it up, made sure that it was thin around the cuticles and the sidewalls, and then at a 45-degree angle I placed it onto my fingernail. I cleaned up around the sides and the back, making sure that no polygel was on my skin, and then I cured for 30 seconds. Once I was done curing each individual nail for 30 seconds to make sure it was secure, I then went in and I cured for a full 60 seconds just to be on the safe side. But I do this for every single nail. It's really simple, really easy, and I would highly recommend you try this, guys, if you want to do some easy French tip nails. This was so simple to do, and I was like, okay, literally, this video was so short because it took me next to no time to do these nails. It was beyond. So the reason that I took the other video down was because you could hear my telly in the background, and I don't want to get demonetized because of sounds of my child watching certain cartoons like Hey Dougie and stuff. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, I I took it down, and I'm going to put this one back up as soon as I can, but I do apologize, and I hope that none of you were mid-watching. But yeah, thank you, Leah, though, for this suggestion. It was really good, and I absolutely love doing this. I'm really into French tip nails at the moment. I don't know what it is, but I'm really enjoying it. We do add some butterflies at the end as well to decorate the nails. Other than that though, yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy. I will link some videos though in the cards of me reviewing both of these kits as well, just so that you've got an idea of like what comes in the kit and so on and so forth. But they are some really nice colours, and as you guys know, I absolutely love Macart. And has anyone seen their new collection that was released? Oh, I want it so bad. It's so pretty. I think it's called Sweet Cravings. So I'm gonna be so skin if Macart keeps releasing these amazing sets. And by the way, speaking of saving money, you can use my code Swales Nails to get 15% off of all your Macart products. I do have an affiliate link down below in the description box with the code. You do not have to use it, but if you do, it does help me out. And of course, yeah, if you guys help me out, then I get to do this. But like I said, you don't have to use it. But it will save you some coin as well. So it's a win-win really all around. So now, once I'd done this to every single nail, sorry, I didn't even speed up the actual footage because it was just so quickly. I thinking words don't come to me now. I did put some butterflies that I got off of Amazon. I've had these for a while, but I will link them down below. I got some butterfly stickers and I just stuck them on top, and then I applied some top coat and I cured for 60 seconds again, added some cuticle oil and some of my rings, and that was pretty much it. So I would highly recommend you trying this idea out, guys. I know Femi Beauty does have her own method. I think she does the French tip, she does the nail bed area, then she does the tip, and then she adds more polygel again then on the nail bed to secure it to your nail. But of course with this way you don't have to worry about it not curing fully, because do you know what I mean? Like curing uncured polygel onto cured. I just, yeah, and you can also like, you don't have the bulk, but still I think her nail sets that she's done has turned out absolutely friggin' amazing. So yeah, but anyway, I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to stick some music on for you guys. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to keep on smiling. Don't forget to stay safe. If you have any other ideas or requests that you want me to try, within reason, of course, if I can do it, I definitely will. I know that some of you want me to do aquarium nails, and I think I will do it eventually. It's just with everything that went on with the dispute between a YouTuber and another person, I don't really want to step on anyone's toes, basically. So yeah, but we'll see. I will definitely probably do something. Anyhow, I am going to leave it here, but I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next one. I'm sorry that I had to re-upload this, but yes, use my voice. Anyway, guys, I love you all. Bye!